That's gone. That's got the outside edge. First wicket for Karan Casey and Nepal. And you can hear the roar of the crowd.
That's the first wicket for Kuwait. Karan Casey just bowling it outside the off stump. Idris just poking his bat at it. He takes his first wicket, Karan, in his first over. Nepal off to a good start.
Look at it, just moving away after pitching slightly, getting the face of the bat, not the edge. Look at that, trying to run that down to third man. Karan Casey has the first blood for Nepal. Idris gone for a knot. Kuwait none for one. The first wicket he took in this innings was a beauty. Again getting the leading edge, the ball travelling. What a catch! What a beautiful catch by Lalit Rajvanshi, diving to his left, above his shoulder. This is what Team Nepal is all about, the team effort they have shown in the last 2 months.
Look at the team, they are so happy. And so are the crowd. It's Bhavasar just trying to chip it over the mid-on fielder. Just mistimed it. The neat catch taken there by Lalit, running a good 10 yards to his left. See, just getting the inside part of the bat there, meet Bhavasar. And a good catch taken there by Lalit. Rolls it over and takes it comfortably.
The medium pacers are doing a very good job taking 3 quick wickets. Pulled away, there's a fielder. What a brilliant catch again by Dipen Singh Airi. Look at the crowd. Listen to the roar of the crowd. That was brilliant, diving to his front.
The Tiger has brought on his claws. He has taken that catch. Was front of him. Sent upstairs for a check by the umpires. But what an attempt that was. A great effort running forward, maybe 10 or 15 yards. That's a tough one to be taken, Paresh. Karan, how impressive has he been on his comeback game? He was rested earlier, and that's the wicket again. He gets his 4th wicket. Just chipped it, Shiraz, to the mid-wicket fielder. And Kuwait are 5 down now. Wickets are just tumbling for Kuwait.
The fielder, who else? Dipen Singh Airi. And he took an easy catch there after the blinder he took the last over off Karan Casey. Karan Casey now has 4. Siraj Khan gone for 3. Look at this again. Easy. He didn't have to move anywhere.
Easy as it gets.
And there is rain coming down. Is this the chance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wickets for Karan Casey in the rain. And now he's got the captain. Spoons up a simple catch. We might have to go off again. I don't think it's going to matter. A kiss of the turf for Karan Casey. And some beautiful emotion from him. Outstanding fast bowling.
Just kept it simple, Karan. Bowling those good areas, and he's got this 5th wicket haul. A simple catch to Beam Sarki. He gets his 5th fiver.